Copenhagen day 4. Forgot to do our favorite thing last night, so Jenny can do hers.
My favorite thing about yesterday was our bike ride in the morning over to Christiana and then Noma and then Ruffin, because it was so pretty and it reminded me of being in Amsterdam, and it was actually sunny and cool, and it was a really cool way to see the city, and I was really afraid of it and we conquered it, so it was fun.
My favorite thing was probably the bike and then seeing Noma. Noma was really cool. Huge space. They grow all their stuff there and then cook it, so that was pretty neat. And then the street food at Ruffin was awesome. Today didn't get the best of weather. It looks bright out there, but it's quite dreary.
I'm used to it at this point.
So we're gonna try and go to the Dyrehaven place, but we'll see. So we're gonna go to Little, get some sandwiches for lunch, and bring those with us. So it's been a while since we've been in the room.
When did we leave? What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. I think we left at 10:30.
Yeah, so we had a bit of a debacle trying to get tickets for our train to go see the deer. Wouldn't accept our credit cards because it said invalid currency, and apparently other people on Reddit had the same issues. So that was okay, and then we decided to go to the tourist booth, and then our number never got called. So we were there for about 10-15 minutes, and then we took out cash because our credit cards wouldn't work, and then cash wouldn't be accepted in the machines. 3 different machines. So we finally made it, and we're gonna go have lunch. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much on us, and hopefully we see some deer.
What I kept saying is I don't understand how at the central station in the city international credit cards don't work on the machines. I thought it would be a 2-second thing because we had no problem at the airport. And let's hope we're on the right train this time.
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go. We were on the train with those people who brought their own swoofer, and they were drinking the whole time, so I guess they're super excited to see some deer.
Deer rave.
I don't know. We want to go
to the beach.
To the beach, because why not go to the beach on such a beautiful day? It's gorgeous. We're out of the city, gonna check out a little bit more of Denmark, and watch out for the poop.
Something we didn't plan on doing is going to the beach in Denmark. Jenny's nice and got her beach attire on. No dogs, no grilling, no people. Here, there's a bench up back there behind some trees. Go have lunch. So we got a nice view.
Yeah. We got our Lidl turkey and egg sandwiches, apple, and this pasta salad, good old sleeve of Oreos. All for about $6 each for lunch today. No, less than that. Wasn't it $10 total? I don't know. Pretty cheap.
So now we're gonna try and stay warm, maybe get a bike, who knows. We'll go check out the situation. Not a fan of this weather. Let's go to find some deer, because we don't have those.
I hate the rain like I hate the rain.
This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. United Nations Educational and Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO.
I think Taj Mahal is the 7 wonders of the world place.
We're just seeing so many cool things, especially deer.
Yeah.
I don't know about deer, but there's a lot of horses around here.
A lot of horses.
And people drinking and listening to loud music, but it's a big park. There's also a little amusement park with the same creepy guy on a rock that Jenny was saving me from. Saving me every day from walking. Off we go down the path, dodging lots of stuff. What's the name of the game today? Dodge and poop. And already we've spotted so many deer. I doubt you can see them because I can't zoom in with the GoPro, but I'll point you in the general direction of them. I'm gonna record some with my phone so you can see all this. Waving on the deer. They're hungry.
Let's talk about the deer experience so far.
I would recommend it because it's free. Even though it was a nasty day, it's cleared up a little bit on us. Let's hope it holds out.
Gotten less windy, so it's warmer, and it's not raining.
So you walk in out of the train station, take a right after you pass the little cafe restaurant, and we walked, what, 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, no, it was a left.
Less than that?
Oh, there. Yeah.
How long do you think it was?
To walk here?
Yeah.
10 minutes?
10 minutes?
Yeah.
To walk, and then we hit this huge area of deer, and they're just hanging out, and you can just check them out, walk on the path.
And we're so close. It probably doesn't look like it from the camera, but we're maybe 10, 20 yards from one of them right there.
And they're just eating. It's a nice free experience to do when you're in Copenhagen.
It exceeded my expectations.
Definitely.
We thought we were gonna have to hunt for them and maybe spot one or two, but we've probably seen 100.
Yeah, more than 100.
And look at this guy close to them.
Hello.
Clearly aren't bothered by people either.
So we walked back past the deer pack, and now they're all having a nice lie down. We caught them at a good time while they were grubbing. Now we're gonna head back out of this icky weather.
So once again, no cash. These are our worst days.
Finally switched over some change, and we made it happen. Got our tickets. Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Me. Copenhagen Central. Off we go, back to the hostel. Weather's gotten surprisingly nicer, and we're gonna have new roommates.
Yeah, our first ones were great though.
Yeah, we missed them already. Yeah, hopefully the new ones aren't crazy. And as we walk back to our hostel, we've spotted a pride parade, so we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah,
maybe
why
you guys
not?
can too.
Just happy.
So we got deer and a pride parade today. Quite the vlog. Didn't think we were gonna have much for the vlog today, but I think we got plenty now.
Definitely. It was really fun though. It was huge, and a lot of companies had floats, I guess you would call them, and all the restaurants and everything are decorated, so it was fun.
Overall, a good day. Now we're gonna head back to the hostel. It's our last day in Copenhagen, I believe it, day 4. And had a good day. We just went and got some pizza because it was one of the cheapest options we had. Very expensive country Denmark is.
Yeah, it was 88 kroner for all-you-can-eat salad and pizza bar. Kind of felt like going to a Pizza Hut. Wasn't the best quality, but it was really, really cheap. I think that's what equates to 10, 11,
Yeah, about
11
10
bucks.
Yeah, per
each.
person.
Yeah, so that was pretty good. And we just met our new roommates. Really nice couple from Germany. Threw on a 3-week trip around the Nordic countries. So that was nice to get to chat with them. And tomorrow morning early, we're off to sunny, warm weather.
In Nice. So we'll be having our own room. Looking forward to that.
Yeah.
So hostel was nice, but we were ready for our own space. For today's video, we also wanted to close out with the usual favorite thing about today. I'll start because I think Jenny did it first last 2 days.
Sure.
So favorite thing about today was probably seeing all the deer at the Dyrehaven. Didn't expect to see hundreds of deer in a field. Thought we'd have to pick them out and all that. And also, since today wasn't a great day, I'll do my least favorite thing.
I was gonna say, least favorite.
Least favorite thing was the ticket things in ticket. Usually we're pretty good with public transport. I go on a rant forever, but I won't, so we'll do better next time.
I really just enjoyed my conversation just now.
There you go, something new.
I really enjoyed it. I got to meet a new friend, and they're really cool, and it was nice to talk to somebody who's doing something similar, or kind of has the same priorities, values as we do. And yeah, we've gotten really lucky with roommates. I like to meet new people. That was something I wanted to do on this trip,
So there we go, ticking the boxes.
Ticking the boxes.
So that wraps up day 4. Copenhagen, expensive city, a lot of smokers, but
so many cigarettes.
But it was nice. We got to bike around, have some good hot dogs, and check out a new place in Europe. Travel video to come. It'll be a bit shorter probably than our first one, but looking forward to it nonetheless.
Back at it for a travel day tomorrow.